This Ninja Extended Life Ceramic 8 inches fry pan is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen. It's designed to make cooking easier and healthier. The non-stick coating is a real superstar because food slides right off. Cleaning up is a breeze. And you won't spend ages scrubbing. This pan is also made without harmful chemicals like PTFE. So you can feel good about what you're cooking for your brunch. The Ninja Extended Life Ceramic 8 inches fry pan is built to last. It can handle all kinds of stovetops. Even induction. Plus, it's oven safe up to 550 degrees F, which is pretty impressive. Imagine going from the stove straight to the oven without switching pans. The comfort grip handle stays cool, making it easy to maneuver. This pan aims to be a legend in your kitchen, offering reliability and compatibility. If you're looking for a solid, no-fuss fry pan, the Ninja Extended Life Ceramic 8 inches fry pan is worth considering. It's like that reliable friend who always comes through. The non-stick coating works well, and the pan heats evenly. It's also dishwasher safe, adding to the convenience. While it won't do your taxes or fix a leaky screwdriver, it will certainly make your cooking experience smoother and healthier. Pros: extended life ceramic, comfort grip handle, non-stick surface, PTFE free, healthy cooking. Oven safe, dishwasher safe, all stovetops, induction ready, navy blue color. Cons: can develop hot spots, might not last very long, some find it overpriced, bottom may not be flat, reports of peeling coating, not as visually appealing, takes a bit longer to heat. Warranty may have issues. Features: healthy cooking, PTFE free, oven safe, dishwasher safe, induction ready, comfort grip, navy blue color. 8-inch size. This 8-inch Ninja Extended Life Ceramic Fry Pan is great for healthy cooking because you can use less oil. It has a non-stick surface that is made without harmful chemicals and is easy to clean in the dishwasher. The pan has a comfortable handle and can be used on all types of stoves, including induction. It's also safe to use in the oven. The navy blue color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. The Ninja Extended Life Ceramic 8 inches fry pan is a navy blue non-stick pan designed for healthy cooking without PTFE. It has a comfort grip handle and is safe for ovens, dishwashers, and all stovetops, including induction. However, some users have reported issues like uneven heating, potential for hot spots, shorter lifespan, high price, a non-flat bottom, peeling coating, less appealing appearance, longer heating time, and possible warranty problems.